Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic ZW3D, how to use draw tools on sketch. You can click a new icon and then choose part tools. To go into sketch, you can click sketch icon. For plane, I will choose the stop plane. Click OK. After it, you can click this icon, draw, and then you can draw like from this origin point to the top. Okay, move to drag to the top again, drag into here, it will be automatically tracking, and then click again in this origin point. Now if you want to set a dimension, you can click at these icons, quick dimension. So in here I will select at this line, move to the top. You can press middle mouse to apply. I will click again from this point into here, click, and you can set for length, like I will set into 100, press enter, that's it. Press middle mouse to apply. I will set again at this line object by using this quick dimension, and I will set for length into 100, press enter. We select again this line into here, and I will set into 50, press enter. To close, you can click this X button. Now if you want to exit from this sketch tools, you can click this exit icons below file button, click, and then you'll be moved into design tools. Okay, that's it for basic ZW3D, how to use draw on sketch. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.